Hello everyone, welcome to News with the Alias, a word a day, part of News and Word series. Today we're going to look at the word consensus. Let us see how this word is used. Here it says China on Thursday said there were enormous divisions and lack of consensus on taking forward the stalled reforms of United Nations Security Council. Let us see what is the meaning of the word consensus and then come back to this article to discuss more on this. The consensus is a generally accepted opinion or decision among a group of people. So, say there are group of people, some set of people, and the consensus is what is generally accepted among them. For example, the general consensus in the office is that he can't do his job. Okay. Now that we understood the meaning, let's go back to the news article and see how this is used. So, this is about the United Nations Security Council reforms. What is United Nations Security Council? The Security Council consists of it's a council in the United Nations, and it consists of five permanent members and around 10 temporary members. So the Security Council has a primary responsibility for the maintenance of international peace and security. Okay, and it has 15 members, and each member has a vote. And the Security Council takes the lead in determining the existing of a threat to the peace or act of aggression. Okay, so it's the Security Council that takes the lead to determine whether there's an existence of threat to the peace or there is an act of aggression. Okay, and it's expected of all the member states of the United Nations to follow the decisions made by the Security Council. And now the problem is the Security Council is not democratic. It's highly undemocratic because it consists of only five permanent members and just 10 non-permanent members. And India is trying to become a permanent member of the Security Council, but China says, that's one of the most important aspect of the UNSC reform. There are four countries that are trying to become the permanent member, and those are called G4, and those are India, Brazil, Japan, and Germany. You see here, but China says there's a lack of consensus, which means it says it's not accepted by everyone. Generally, it's not accepted. And in this context, that the word consensus is used. Hope you understood the meaning of the word consensus, and also you understood about the the United Nations Security Council, and how this word is used in this context. All right, please do like this video and share to your friends or to whomever you think is going to be useful. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. We will look at a new word daily and also the news article. So you will not only know the word, and importantly, you will also know the news. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.